Hello guys, I am so excited about this video. Today I am going to share with a case study about Calendly form tracking. This is the most advanced video and this is the most advanced case study that I have ever solved. Okay, let's jump to the video. Actually, today I am going to solve a case study about Calendly form tracking. As an example, if I open a notepad, you can see here a URL. Actually recently I worked with a client. The client in this client website there has been a link Calendly form, and when someone fill up this form and schedule a meeting, then this URL is coming. Okay, I remove this exact URL. I remove this exact domain name of my client for security purpose. And see, as example, this is the domain name, then this thank you page is coming. Okay, this thank you page, and by this thank you page, easily I can track the Calendly form booking. As example, I can create a trigger for this event, trigger with DOM ready with a custom with a page path with a page path. As example, if I open the trigger section, then if I click over the new, there has an option the DOM ready, and with this DOM ready I can choose the page path from the page path contains. I can put this value, this thank you, this is the page path. Okay, but it's a easy thing. But main challenge was my client asked me to have to pass the user information from the Calendly form to the Facebook. Okay, that was the challenge, and you can ask me why we have to pass the user information. Actually, we have to pass the user information to increase the event match quality in Facebook. Also, if we send the user information to the Facebook, then our ad will be more optimized. That's why we have to pass the user information to Facebook to increase event match quality. Also to increase the ad quality. Okay, that's the thing. And you can, if I look at this URL, then you can see here a option invite first name. Invite first name equal that was the first name I placed as a test purpose UI, and invite last name that's also a UI as a test value. I put this and then I get this URL. Okay, and in this then next section is invite email. In this invite email, and I place this test email, but as in here I place this at the rate, but URL give me this value. No worry, I will pass this exact value. I pass this exact value to the Facebook, and I write some code for it. And next thing is in the text reminder number, it's a phone number, and I place a text phone number that was like, as example, if I the phone number was maybe +88. Okay, I place this phone number, but from this URL parameter, URL path, I get this thing. It's a decoded version from this URL, but I break the decoded version from this URL with the JavaScript code, and I'm going to show you the exact formula that I use for this phone number, email address, first name and last name to pass the Facebook. Okay, let's go. I'm going to show you from the scratch by it, and for this I write some code. This is the code I write for this, and let's jump to the main section. First of all, we have to create a custom HTML trigger, custom HTML tag for the event listener. Then we get the event. We are not going to set up this Calendly form by the by the DOM ready or the page path, we are going to pass a event. That's why this is the event listener. We are going to create a new HTML tag with this code. Okay, then I click over the new tag, and then I have an option, the custom HTML, and I place copy this code and place it here, and the trigger should be in the all page, and we have to name this tag as example Calendly event listener. Okay, Calendly event listener. Then we have to save this tag. Okay, then when we fill up this form, when we schedule the event, then we will get some event that's called Calendly schedule. We will get the custom event in this GTM parameter. I will show you when we are going to preview. Then we have to create some JavaScript variable for the first name, last name, phone number, and the email address. Okay, for this I have to go to the new and this custom JavaScript, and I'm going to create for the first name. I will attach this JavaScript code in video description. JS, that's mean custom JavaScript first name, custom JavaScript first name. Then have to save it. Then again CJS last name, custom JavaScript last name. Sorry, this is the last name. We have to place here. Okay, then have to save it. Sorry, maybe for this sorry, we have to place this total code. Have to change it because it's the wrong code. We are missing 2 lines from the bottom. Okay, then there has a next code for the phone number. Sorry, this is the most advanced tutorial that I make in my life. It's for phone number, and also I write it for CJSS phone number. And next is email address. For that I have to copy this code. Already I tested, that's why I know this value will be working. That's why I will test it in next session. Let me create those code first of all. Then it's a custom JavaScript email address. I have to save it. Okay, let's jump to the save it. Okay, now I can create some tag with this value. Okay, let's create a tag. Okay, no need to create a tag because I hope you can create the tag in this Google Tag Manager. Let's preview it. No, I have to submit this thing. I know you can create this tag. That's why I'm not interested to show you how to create the tag. Sorry, I have to go to the publish preview section actually. Okay, jump to this section, jump to the website debug view. Then when I come to this page, there has an option to claim your claim your call. Then if I click over here, then a Calendly form is open. Then if I have to place my name, as a example, I am going to place a test name. That's why I type here TE, also write here TP, also this test email, and let's place a phone number. Okay, then free. Next session. Then I have to choose this time that available. Okay, in the next section, in this Zoom call, and this is my phone number, and this is my, okay, let's see this in the, okay, I can see a Calendly event, because this redirect in the next page, in the new page. It's outside of Google Tag Manager. No worry, we'll redirect in this thank you page within 1 minute. Let's just fill up this form. It's a test value, that's why no need to write it here exactly. Then schedule event. Now if I redirect in the new page, I hope I can see a thank you page. Okay, this is the thank you page we have. And now if I go to this section, there I can see Calendly event, custom event. I guess it's will coming. Oh, okay, no worry, just we can create a trigger for this. If I go to this DOM ready, in the variable section, then you can see in the variable section, in the page path, this is the page path, thank you page path. You can create a trigger with this, and our main concern that the user information. And if I looking for the user information as examples, this is the custom phone number, CJSS phone number. See, this is the phone number is coming, and in here, in this URL, if I copy this URL again as example, if I copy this URL for you, and if I place it in the notepad, then and here you can see event type name, it's not our main concern. Okay, invite first name, see, invite first name, this was the TE, invite last name TP, and in here in the invite email, the value from the URL value, I get this value, but I write the JavaScript code like this way, and this decode this code like this, test@gmail.com. and for the phone number, if I open this URL again, you can see text reminder number was like this. It's a decoded value, and I break this decode with the JavaScript, then I get this exact value, and they get this exact value that I place in the previous step of this form. That was a case study about this for Calendly form tracking. Now you can add this value in your tag. Add this parameter in your tag. As example, if I click over the new section, then for the Facebook pixel, and if you want to send this user information to the Facebook event manager, then just click over the enable advanced matching. Then the customer parameter, for this 4 customer parameter we have, and it's phone number, first name, and the last name, and the email address, and the phone number. Okay, now you can refer the first name there, that's created for custom JavaScript first name, then the last name. Okay, I hope you know about it. Last name, and then you can place at the email and phone number. Then the triggering should be like this. Triggering should be like this in the DOM ready, and the some DOM event. Then the page path, where is page path? Then page path content. This is this value. Thank you value. Where is it? And this is the thing. You have to copy this thing. Then you can place it here. Okay, that's the thing. And if you set up this like this way, then your event match quality will be impressed. and I will share this document file in the description with you. You can copy, you can copy this code for your form tracking. And let me tell you, this code will be working from working just in this case in for the Calendly form. In your website there has a there has a more pattern. As example, some Calendly form there has a pop-up, and when someone click here then just a pop-up. But if I click this Calendly form, then I redirect in a new page. This case, if this case with you exactly, then this code will be working. And if your Calendly form like this, if you click a button, then you redirect it in the Calendly page. Then if we again fill up this form, then if we redirect in your thank you page in your website, then this code will be work for you. Okay. Also, you can knock me for your Calendly form tracking. I know how to track in every case Calendly form tracking. Okay, that's the thing. Thank you.